Right, Brad, now the fun begins. So we booked this campsite online. It's very hard to book campsites online. And then we decided to go for a drive and check it out after we booked. And there are a lot of trees, a small track.
Really tight. And
it's 5 metres wide by 12 metres, which we thought, yeah, we'll fit in there, no worries. Anyway, the fun's about to begin because we've got to try and get Doli Aquaria in there. So, a fair while ago, before we hit the road, Brad put a front hitch on the front of the ute. So we watched others get into, or struggle to get into, tight spaces. And there is a YouTube video up showing a little demonstration on when he had the jet ski trailer going around the roundabout in our little court where we lived. If you hold on tight, you'll see it in action today.
Yeah, we mightn't need it though. I'm going to try and reverse into there first, but if I can't get in, I'll have to turn around and put the van in from the front.
So interesting times ahead. I'm actually excited. Using my anxieties like, whoo. How we going, Brad? We out? We just...
I just towed my range just in around them trees just to see how it's going to go. Now,
testing things out all the time.
The worst part about this site we're going into is it's fairly tight, but not only that, I've got to push the caravan uphill and backwards, or backwards uphill, which it won't like doing. So that'll be the biggest drama, and having enough room to swing the nose of the ute in. Don't touch the other side of the trees. We'll manage. Hopefully we'll manage.
Just in there behind that van. Oh no! Who's that? Why does this always happen to us? Oh well, time to get out and hunt down the owner. We'll have a look around. So there's... Rightio, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Well, you've got this space now.
I'll be able to stand over there. Yeah, but I can't get into the area.
No, but it might help.
Yeah.
It might help.
Push up in there and try forward.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know what you do. Alright, do I need the walkie-talkie?
No.
I have to yell? Alright. Stand up in here. Now we might need the hitch after all. So this is the site. Trees ahead. Oh no, the windows. We need bush wraps. Well, she's big. Alright. What do you want me to do? Very hard to book online when you can't see what you're booking. Oh, Brad, stop! No, he's right now. Oh.
Good job! That was amazing!
How far did you walk?
7 Ks.
Wow.
Yep. Just made it out of life.
7 Ks. Good on you.
Good job. bit crooked, but
You mean crooked? I'm gonna straighten it.
no. No, it's all good. All good. Beautiful. He got around a pub. Love that. That is so cool. Anyway, biggest van in this campground. It's time to get out of here. Just worried about that post. Miles off. What he's doing. I can't see. Oh, look at that. Oh, he had a car in the road. It's easy. God, things are so easy sometimes when you think they're going to be hard. We're not out of here yet. They don't leave us much room.
You want to check that white ute because we're going to swim. We all right? Still at that back? Thank you. It's got a big tail, this thing.
You want me out or not? Oh, you're not going to hit. You're going to hit that. Oh, Bradley Bennett. Jeepers.
Thank you.
Oh, anxiety. Oops, I'll get out of your way.
That's all over there. And look behind us.
Jeepers creepers. Oh. Oh, I can't look.
Thanks, mate.
Thought it was piss easy. Can you see or not? Am I on your road again?
Got it now, Angie.
Got it? Oh, God, blimey.
There's another bloke there.
Giving you a hand.
Yeah, give me a hand.
I thought that'd be that was the hard bit. Get me out of the corner. Oh, God.
Fuck, it's going to be a tight squeeze.
Yeah. Wouldn't warn me about that bit. I wouldn't have got in so fast. You're the master, Brad. You're getting in and out of tight space. Jesus Christ.
Oh, well.
That car was so close.
You've got to learn pretty quick. How are you?
Anyway, we're out. Yay!